I'm Gift. Today I'm going to show you a Centreville end unit that was just fully renovated. What are we waiting for? Let's go look inside. The end unit means more window, natural light, and good energy. The kitchen has new appliances, brand new quartz, and the vibe that any chef would love. New luxury vinyl floor on all 3 levels. All 3.5 baths are shiny and new. Plus, my favorite part, the deck and patio with the walkout. Sully Station have so much to offer. It's so cool that this home is close to major highway, shop, restaurant, and so much more. If you love this home, contact me, Gift, for your private tour.